Alright guys, this is Jason again. We're back and we're gonna teach you on how to get a free blog by blogspot.com and also how to make revenue out of your article. So first is that you just gonna Google blogspot.com. So that's it, blogspot.com. So you'll see I'm a contributor of several blogs. Jason, Travel, Tech, Motorsport, and some of the blogs. So you just need to sign up like the way you sign up with Facebook and Instagram. You just go to blogger.com. So in my case, I put jasonbiadog.blogspot.com. So for this one, this is a sponsored review about the Rubik's Cube. So you just click on new and then create your title. And after that, you just upload picture and then create some story like the way you do with Facebook or Instagram. So it's like an online journal. So after that, you just click on publish. Okay. So Blogspot is with the blogger.com. Okay, so Blogspot, I have another travel food movie. Okay, so you'll see there. And I also have jasonbiadog.net. This is actually one of my sponsor. So at blogger.com or blogspot.com, you can sign up for free there and just create your name if you like food, like foodisgood.com or matakawako.blogspot.com. So it's actually free. You can just upload your video and picture, then you have a blog. And how do you earn money out of it? You just have to find your sponsor. So in my case, I have sponsor from the US area. So they wanted me to create a 500 word article. So I made this 500 word article and they pay me in PayPal. Some of the company would just ask you to publish their press release and they would pay you. So this one, okay, so they pay me to publish a press release. You just need to copy paste. But if they wanted you to create an article like this, the one I created last in Dubai, um, yeah, you can actually blogging is actually like an art, so you can tell everything out there, and you can start with the things that you normally known. So a blog would cost you $0. Some people would pay you like $10, $50, $100, $300, even $500 per post, even an all expense trip to Europe, Asia. You just need to be passionate about it. So there's a lot of perks to this industry. You get free local travel, free foreign travel. You get the gadgets. I got my gadget like the watch finder, like a 200 euro gadget sent to my house, and review some watches and greatest events on earth. So it's up to you. So it's either you wanna earn like $20, $10, 50, 100, 200 per post. It's all up to you. Or you wanna get those free trips and just keep on blogging every day. Okay. So again, you can sign up at blogspot.com or blogger.com for a free post, so you can tell story like the one I did here in Abu Dhabi luxury F1 trip. Okay, and you can also publish some advertisement or press release, or you can even add advertising at your blog. Let's say for example this one. Let me show you how. Let me try to check my techmotorsport.spot.com. So this one, yeah, I got advertising here. I was paid in euro, and you can actually add some banner ads here. So this one, they offer me like a 2-month stay in BGC area, condominium area. Okay, so these are advertiser. You can also sign up to Google AdSense, so you get earn like 10 cents, 50 cents. As long as you're earning, you're sleeping, you're earning. So you have your earning here using Google AdSense. So this is also Google AdSense. You can put everything, whatever you want. Like if you want to cover like an airplane or air show, you can get an all expense trip. Some of them would even let you ride the plane or hot air balloon. So in my case, I was able to ride a hot air balloon. Usually the hot air balloon would cost you $500, but since I'm part of a blogger or press, they give me like free rides. So you can go to MotoGP, Malaysia Championship. Let's take a look at my article here. Okay, that's it. I was in a MotoGP. Okay, with my brother, all expense 342. That's probably cost around $4,000. Okay, so you can sign up in a contest. Okay, to the tourism and some of the people from the newspaper, and you can actually get a free golf entry. They gave me free golf entry, and I play golf. And also they gave me free phone like this one. It's more than 10,000 peso or $200 phone, and you can just review this one. Palm Springs, I reviewed this. I believe they pay me 100 or 200. I almost forgot because I reviewed more than 1,000 reviews with different websites. I have Whistler, I have LeBron James shoes, and I have Le Mans. I won in a contest, like more than £1,000,000 all expense trip for France. There's Singapore and Porsche Cup, boxing. They even lend you laptops or have them test their latest laptops. Okay, and the car, and also this one they lend me the Ford car for a week. This car by Ford, and the latest also they tried to lend me for a week for different cars. So you just talk about it, you drive it. Okay, I drove this within Metro Manila and BGC area. So yes, you can review cars, gadgets, sports shoes. What else? You can do a lot of things. So that you're known. Okay, you can even have this watch, and even the Casio gave me this watch as well, together with the famous celebrities. Just talk about them. Okay, and then that's the famous artists. Okay, yeah, I think you're familiar with them. Famous band, and that's only for Tech Motorsport, short for Technology Motoring Sports. Some of the sports contests here, they can even let you ride the boat or cruising. I was cruising in Malaysia, Bay Area, Kamsur, Manila, and this one I was able to talk to different TV, radio shows like the Inquirer, and also drive to different parts of the country and abroad as well. And also they have tour like 400 $400 a 2-day tour. They let you experience the honeybee farm with a convoy of more than like 20 cars. The AAP honeybee farm here. Okay, and with the historical spots, you just need to write about them. Okay, so there's a lead car, there's tail car, like Andres Bonifacio and Emilio Aguinaldo house. Okay, there's a lot of things that you can do, and yeah, even you can organize a summit, you can play golf, whatever that best describe you. Okay, so that's all of Blogspot. The Tech Motorsport is free site, but since I have several blogs before, they give me sponsored. My sponsor at this time is the Wildfire, so they gave me jasonbiadog.net because my